Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going outside and we're going to be rearranging the chicken tunnels for the first time. So my chickens just recently got some new chicken tunnels and I led them out into the grass. Well, in about 4 or 5 days, they have eaten all of the grass underneath that tunnel. So these tunnels are movable up until a certain point. I made flex portions in the middle. And this is going to be the first time that I am taking all of this apart and giving them new grass. And you guys are going to do it with me. So if any of you guys are doing the same setup, then you'll see how easy or hard it is to move them. Now, one of the reasons why I'm doing this is because I don't have a chicken tractor or the knowledge or the skills to build one quite yet. So this is what's going to be done until then. I've got a bunch of grass out there that they can eat, and we're just going to be moving the tunnels as opposed to moving a chicken tractor. So let's get out there. I've got a couple tools out there and we're going to see how long this takes us. These are the tunnels, and this whole section right here has been eaten up. You guys can tell it is looking completely different than the grass on the left or the right of the tunnel. They've gone ahead and mowed it for me, if you want to call it that, but they have eaten all the greens in that area. So now it is time to move it to the left or to the right, and I think I'm going to do it to the left first. So we come all the way over here. This right here is the first flexible arm, and then there's 3 in between each of these flexible arms. So all I have to do is move this over just a little bit, all the way down. We'll just make a second trail going all the way over there. Let them eat all of this. And then as this grows back, they'll be eating all of this. First things first, we are going to be taking out all of these animal barriers, which are basically right by the flexible area because they're too big and they're also like very flimsy. So I put these animal barriers there so nothing could get inside. Just gonna set all of these right here. Okay, next step. Now what we're going to be doing is taking all of these landscape pins out. I did order more because these are really old. So they're kind of having a harder time getting into the ground. They're like bending. We just kind of take out all of those. This is definitely going to be some work. I'm okay with the work though. It's for my chickens. Oh shit! That is an assassin bug. I see you, assassin bug. I have taken all of the landscape pins out and there shouldn't be any left in the tunnels. So what I'm going to do is start to move I don't know if this is going to work, y'all, but follow along. You guys are seeing it first. Might not be as bad as I thought. Just kind of got to move them same time. They're like one by one. That's not too bad. Move. It's gonna take a little work. It's not bad though, y'all. Let's see. That's not bad. I've got it moved all the way up to here. All I did, these flexible parts are allowing me to move it over a little bit. So it's not as much as I thought it was going to be. I guess I could make this ear netting bigger and longer. I can like take these off of here and extend it if I wanted to. But eventually all of this is going to be eaten and I'll just put it out there again. But this one's moved. Got fresh greens underneath. All the old space was right there. You could definitely tell. And then I'm at this point right here. It's like we're almost done and I just started. It's like that was so easy. Much better than I thought it was going to be. But then we'll have to replace the animal barriers and the landscape pins. So I'm going to finish putting this out into the rest of this grass right here. Not bad, y'all. Holy crap. Super easy to move. Super easy to secure down. So we are in our new green area. Again, you guys can see the difference of them demolishing the old area. It used to look like this. So hopefully all of this will be eaten by them. All of that will be eaten by them. And then that's less that I have to mow. But now they'll have fresh greens. So I'm going to start putting all the animal barriers back and the landscape pins. It's probably too late to put them out right now, but we'll do that tomorrow. I'm going to do these first. Now that that is done, it is time to put the landscape pins back in. I'm gonna actually go get a hammer just because it's easier to get them into there. tunnels all moved, landscape pins all in, animal barriers in. We'll take a look on this side. See how much they demolish the greens. That was like bigger greens in there, and they just left these stems. But all of this compared to all of what they're going to get next, definitely see the difference. Then this whole section right here will look this way. I don't care for the chickens. Y'all, I know you've heard this before, but that was not as hard as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to take a lot longer than it did. I think that was either half an hour, 45 minutes. The easiest part was actually moving the tunnels. The hardest part was taking out all of the landscape pins and then putting them back in. The animal barriers were okay, but the easiest part was actually moving the tunnels, which I thought was going to be the hardest part. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, and we'll probably have to do this every 5 or 6 days just to keep them eating greens. And when we run out of greens, hopefully the old greens from those sections have grown back. Maybe I go over them with a weed eater, clean it up, and maybe it'll just grow back better. We will see. If you guys need to take any of those like suggestions about the chicken tunnels, I'm going to be linking all of those products in the description below. I highly recommend doing this for your chickens if you do have them. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't put that part. The easiest part was moving the tunnels.